Strength Portal, ooh, Strength Portal. Hey everyone, this is Matt from the Strength Portal team. I'm excited to introduce to you the latest addition to the Strength Portal software platform. So, for those of you who already use our software, you know that Strength Portal was originally designed to make it as easy as possible to deliver a personalized workout plan to your client to track on a mobile phone and for you to receive that data back to make sure they're hitting their goals. Now, with this latest feature, we've added nutrition. So you can now track calorie and macro goals with your clients through StrengthPortal as well. The idea with this is we wanted to replace another spreadsheet that online coaches were currently using, Google spreadsheets, Excel spreadsheets, with their clients and make it so they could do all of their coaching in one space. So I'm going to go a quick review of this feature. Really quick, how I got there. I'm on the coach side. I clicked the clients tab. I clicked a client name, and then I clicked the client macros tab on the far right here. Okay, first thing you're going to see is the overview at the top. You'll see what it's going to do is pull in the latest information that you need from your client to kind of get a feel for where they are with their fitness journey. It's got height, weight, body fat percentage, the latest numbers that have been input on their end or on your end. It's got an adherence number right here, which is going to calculate the percentage of pass fail that they have with their macro goals that they record. Then it has listed the current goals that you've sent over to that client, which I'll explain a little bit further in a moment. And then all the recorded macros that they've set up and sent over to you to check against the goals. Okay, so let's start with when you're adding a goal. What you're going to do is press that button on the right. A new pop-up will show. And what you need to know here is that there's a lot of flexibility with what you can do with these nutrition goals. You can set up just one goal, say, hey, I just want you to track calories first. You can do calories and protein, or you can do all of them more detailed. You can set training or non-training days. And then you do have flexibility with what you can input here. You can put a straight number. You can input a range. You can input a maximum and a minimum. So there's a key right here that explains it all. So you can see that, take a look. I have it laid out here with the two different goals. I have the training day goal listed first for this test client. It has all strict goals, and then the flexible goals are listed below. Saying calories for the non-training day, I want you to shoot between 2,600 to 2,650. 180 plus, which is a minimum. That means that the client can shoot for at least 180, but it's okay if they go over. Fat, another range, and then I have a maximum saying 90 minus. If the client, the 90 is the maximum they can hit, and they can hit anything underneath and it will pass. Okay. And when it goes over to the client side, what it's going to do is when they input their numbers at the end of the day, it'll just compare it to this and it'll say, hey, you passed or not. To show you what it looks like on the client side when you send it on over, this is a picture I have of the client side, same goals, and everything's pretty much the same. They'll see the same numbers. They can see their past information, and they're just going to click this button right here that says add goals at the end of each day to input their latest numbers. This is what that pop-up looks like. They can, just input the numbers, say if it's training or non-training, and then they can input the dates. So the cool thing about this is they can backdate. I have some coaches that have clients that input their macros every single day. I have other coaches that have clients that they just input it once a week. So they want to be able to quickly input the last 7 days of the macros that they hit, check it against MyFitnessPal, My Macros Plus, Chronometer, whatever they're using, and just take those numbers, put it into here, and then they're set. So yeah, that's pretty much everything right now. We're really excited to get this in there so we can add its immediate value add to the coaches that are using the platform right now. If you aren't using StrengthPortal, I would love to invite you to make a free account to test this out. You do have the ability to set up macros and test out everything for yourself. So to do that, you just go to the client management page, click on the client name, your name, click macros, add a goal, and then to track it, you'll go up to the top right, say coach, say view as client, and then you will see the client side and be able to track and see how everything works for yourself. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We look forward to getting some feedback and getting this into your hands. And we have some cool stuff coming up soon, so please stay in touch. Cheers.